Hi, third grade. We are ready to take our Lesson 12 spelling test. Please make sure that you have your name at the top of your paper and that you have numbered 1 through 20. You may pause the video right now if you need to do those things. Remember, as I give you these words, feel free to pause if you need time to think about the spelling, or you may rewind if you need to hear a word again. Good luck. Here we go. Number 1, gnat, gnat. A little gnat flew around the fruit bowl. Gnat. Number 2, new, new. I thought I knew the answer to the hard math question. New. Number 3, sign, sign. The sign said to stop. Sign. Number 4, knob, knob. I turned the knob and opened the door. Knob. Number 5, gnaw, gnaw. We watched the little kitten gnaw on her toy. Gnaw. Number 6, write, write. In ELA today, we will write a personal narrative. Write. Number 7, knees, knees. I fell off my bike and scraped my knees. Knees. Number 8, wrinkle, wrinkle. There was a wrinkle in my shirt. Wrinkle. Number 9 is kneel, kneel. We saw the teacher kneel next to her students. Kneel. Number 10, wrist, wrist. The girl wore a bracelet around her wrist. Wrist. Number 11, cough, cough. Remember to cover your mouth when you cough. Cough. Number 12, known, known. I have known my best friend since I was born. Known. Number 13, rough, rough. The sandpaper felt very rough on my hand. Rough. Number 14, wrench, wrench. My dad pulled a wrench from his toolbox. Wrench. Number 15, knight, knight. The knight in shining armor rescued the princess. Knight. Challenge words. Number 16, knitting, knitting. The grandma is knitting a blanket. Knitting. Number 17, laughter, laughter. There was a lot of laughter coming from the room during the Homework Club movie. Laughter. Number 18, ring, ring. After I stepped in the puddle, I had to wring water from my socks. Ring. Number 19, unknown, unknown. The author to the poem is unknown. Unknown. And finally, number 20 is playwright. Playwright. The playwright separated the story into 2 acts. Playwright. At this time, I would like you to look over all 20 of your words, double check your spelling, check your neatness, make sure your name is at the top of your paper. When you've done those things, you may turn in your test to the turn-in bin.